Hey, Megan here, coming to you from my office aquarium craft space at my new house. And oh my God, it is so cold. It has gotten into the 20s Fahrenheit here. So I've got to bring a bunch of plants indoors. And I've been thinking about how can I make sure that my plants are able to winter over appropriately without dying. You know, there's like a balance there where you want to make sure that you're giving them time to kind of like chill out and hibernate in a way, but you don't want to neglect them so much that they end up dying. So what we're going to be doing is an experiment in terms of light sources. I have a west-facing window, an east-facing window, aquarium lights, and over here, which is not on right now, UV plant grow lights. So I'm going to be using my Blushing Bride Tradescantia. The reason that I'm picking this one in particular, other than the fact that it is super able to be propagated, is that I noticed before when I had it under one of my aquarium lights, it would bloom in winter, like January, February, which I thought was really interesting. That's why I think this is going to be a really good candidate for it. So let me do some clippings, get some propagation going, and I will show you the setup. Time for a check-in. I'm currently redoing this space, so that's why this is so barren all of a sudden. So here we are at the grow light. You see, like, this one has not fared so well. I have to call this one a loss. This guy's still going good. Here we are at the aquarium light. And you see this one's going straight up is going pretty good. Here we are at the east facing window. Also looking pretty good. Now, the west facing window. Again, sorry, it's chaos in here right now. Things are moving around. So, looks like only one casualty down so far. Good signs. And also, this is happening in December when it is not grow season. So, we're doing okay. Things are looking up. Okay, so it is now January 18th. I started this experiment on December 8th. So I think the Tradescantias have had enough time to sit and think about what they've done. They haven't done anything, but you know what I mean. So let's check it out. First, let's do the grow light because it's right here. Doesn't look like we got anything on this one. Maybe, I guess a little bit over here. Now let's do the aquarium light. aquarium light. Oh yeah, we got some good roots here. Good starts. What about you? Nothing on you. Next, we have the east-facing window. Oh, guy looks kind of worse for wear. I don't think that's gonna work. And, oh yeah, we got good roots on that one. Let's see if you can see. No, we just dropped a leaf. And last but not least, the west-facing window. It doesn't want to come out. Oh yeah, that's good roots there. What about you? So interestingly, it seems that all of the tests have gone well except for the grow light. So there you go.